What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the Serpentine belt, the belt tensioner, and the idle pulley on your Mercury Grand Marquis. It's typically recommended to replace the Serpentine belt every 50,000 to 100,000 miles, but I mean, if you're waiting for that long to replace it, you wildin', G. You live a dangerous lifestyle. Preventive maintenance is the key of owning a reliable car. So let's get to it. Use a 3/8 ratchet to release the tension on the belt. If you don't have a long ratchet or a breaker bar, you can use the floor jack handle and slide it over the end of the ratchet to give you more leverage. If your Grand Marquis is making rattling or squeaky noises from the front of the engine, check the belt-driven accessory pulleys by spinning them with your hand and paying close attention to any noises. Typically, the idle pulley or belt tensioner inner bearings go bad. Use a 13mm socket to remove the idle pulley. Use a 10mm socket to remove the tensioner. Torque down to 20 foot-pounds. I was planning to replace the idle pulley on this video, but my dumbass ordered the wrong part. Don't make the same mistake, you guys. I have the correct one on its way, but I'll be replacing it off camera. Inspect the belts for cracks, chunks missing, and uneven wear. The Serpentine belt looks good, but I'll still be replacing it. The Grand Marquis has a sticker with a belt diagram on how the belt is routed. If yours doesn't, you can do a simple Google search or take a picture before removing the belt. Alright, you guys, if y'all found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late. Yeah, I know, this looks ugly. Pretty much what happened over here is that I had my candle on and it was just blowing a lot of black smoke and it stained the wall. I am finna repaint this wall soon. I know it looks ugly in the background and I'm gonna add some things. But until then, just look at my beautiful, ugly wall. What are y'all still doing here? Go fix your car.